Okay, we're just going to explore a little bit about using applications and the Explorer itself. So I'm going into Windows Explorer, not to be confused with Internet Explorer, which is a browser. And you'll see that I am able to go to the Organize drop-down to my Layout submenu and see that I can turn on my Library pane, which is right here, and I can turn on my Preview pane, which means if I was looking at pictures I'd be able to see, or even documents, I'd be able to see what they were in the Preview pane. Okay, I'm going to minimize this now. And another option that I can do, I'm going to open up an application called Notepad, and it's not case sensitive on a Windows machine. There's Notepad. I'm going to open it, and Notepad is just a simple word processing. It's not elaborate. It's a great one for using if you don't use, say, TextPad or something else for making web pages and coding them in HTML or XHTML or whatever. So I'm going to go to my File button. You'll see that I'll be able to do certain operations with the file. If you see a dot 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 or an ellipsis, that tells me that it's going to open up a dialog box. One of the things that you want to look for in the application is that word wrap is on, which means when I start typing and I get to the end of the sentence, and you can see I'm just typing lovely, it just goes ahead and continues on the next line. Were it not in word wrap mode and I just started typing away, oops, sorry about that, I've lost focus, there we go, it just will keep going, and I don't prefer that. So I am going to put on word wrap, and you'll see that it came to the next line. Okay. In formatting, I also have something called font. Font's going to open up a dialog box. How do I know? Because I see the dot 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 or ellipsis, and I'll be able to change my font, the styles, and the size. Okay, and that's about all there is to opening up an application using what used to be called basically the run command. They now call it the search programs and file box. And I can minimize the application. Once again, I can make it full screen, or I can close it.